Hello everyone, welcome back to TechStacksHub. Today's video, we are going to talk about the Claude Code. If you have been following the AI coding tools recently, you have been probably heard people talking about the Claude Code, Cursor AI, GitHub Copilot, and other AI powered tools. But what exactly is Claude Code and how is it different from normal Claude Code chat interface and should developer actually use it? Let's find out. The first, let's understand the problem. Most developers use AI through browser. They open the chat GPT or Claude, copy code, paste code, ask question, and then copy the answer back into their projects. It's work, but it is not always the efficient. So there are lots of context switching. You move between your ID, browser, terminal, and documentation. So and again and again, where this is where Cloud Code comes in. The cloud is Anthropic AI assistant that work directly with your development workflow. Instead of acting like a simple chat, Cloud Code understand your project, analyze your file, help modify code, explain the architecture, and assist with development tasks much closer where developer actually work. The think of it as moving from chatting about code to working with code. That, that is big difference. Now let's talk about why developers are interested in the Claude Code. The first reason is project awareness. Traditionally, AI chat often only see the code you paste. Claude Code can understand much larger part of your project, maintain context across development tasks. This become extremely useful when working with the large application enterprise system, legacy projects, and microservices, where understanding the whole picture matters. The second benefit is debugging. Imagine you are facing Spring Boot error, API failure, database issue, development problem. Instead of pasting the small snippet one by one, Claude Code can help analyze the broader context and guide you through the investigation process. For experienced developer, this can significantly reduce the debugging time. The third benefit is Claude explanation. Many of us work on the project that contain thousands of line code written by the other developer. Claude Code can help to explain module, service, controller, architecture flow, and dependencies. This is especially useful when joining a new project and working with the legacy systems. Another interesting use case is refactoring. Suppose you have large class that has become difficult to maintain. Claude Code can suggest clear structure, better naming, improve readability, possibly optimization. Of course, developer should always review the suggestion before applying them. AI should assist engineer decision, not replace them. Now let's address the important question. How is Claude Code different from the normal Claude? The easiest way to think about it is Claude chat focus on conversation, Claude Code focus on development workflow. Both use Claude intelligence, but Claude Code is designed specially for coding related tasks and project integrations. If you are mainly asking question, Claude chat may be enough. If you are actively building a software every day, Claude Code become more interesting. Now let's talk about who should use Claude Code. I think it can be a useful for software developer, technical leads, architecture, engineering manager, startup founders, product owner who work closely with the technical team, especially if you are spending a significant amount of time reading code, debugging issue, and understanding the complex system. Before I finish, I want to mention something important. No matter how powerful AI becomes, understanding the fundamentals still matter. Developers should continue learning system design, database, APIs, debugging, and architecture. AI can escalate your work, but engineering knowledge is what help you make the right decision. So that is a quick introduction to Claude Code. In upcoming video, I'll show the practical example, real workflow, and comparison with tool like Cursor AI and ChatGPT. If you are interested in AI coding, developer productivity, consider subscribing the TechStacksHub. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.